In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to purchase new licenses for Alga Pro as an admin user. The first thing you want to do is log in to portal.9minds.com. Then, go to the avatar button on the top right corner of your screen and click on it. See where it says Payment Methods? Go ahead and click on that and add your preferred payment method. Once you've done that, click on Get License on the top right corner of the screen, not far from the avatar button. Now a side tab is going to pop up asking you how many Pro licenses that you want to purchase. Go ahead and type the number of licenses you want to buy right in that box there. You can either add it to your cart to buy later, or you can purchase it now. To buy the licenses now, click Buy Now and the screen will prompt you to choose the payment method you want to use. Once you confirm the payment method, click Subscribe to buy the licenses. You can view the licenses you've purchased under the Licenses tab. Also, you are able to see the past payments under the Payments tab. Also under the Payments tab, you can see all invoices from purchases you've made. You may choose to download them, send them, or just view the details of them. I hope you found this tutorial useful. As always, reach out to us with any questions on our Discord, which can be found on our social media or on our website, or at support@9minds.com. If you're new here and you want to try Alga or Alga Pro, visit our website at 9minds.com to see your options.